So I'm driving in a busy traffic, so this video is going to be about how much mileage I can extract from my car. And let's have a look. I don't know if you can see or not, it says 4.6. That's per 100 kilometer. So that was driving around this traffic area, and I couldn't record because I can't hold the mobile and drive the car at the same time. So now I'm doing it as I'll be driving on a stretch from Patiala to, what do we call it, Rajpura, from Patiala to Rajpura. So it's going to be a highway and a mixed traffic. So let's see what outcome do I get. Here's once again the view of dashboard, and I'm gonna be silent for a while now. I don't even know if I can get a good mileage figures. Like till now, oh, it's saying 4.5 now. Still, I think it's not bad enough, but I won't say that it's good enough for me. I'm expecting somewhere around 3.2, 3.6 approximate. So let's see, what do I get. Oh boy, do I need my radiator? Oh, this is a good different thing about my car also. I have a switch for radiator. Oh yeah, I didn't want you to notice that, but now that it is in camera, so I can't do anything. So this here is my radiator switch, and I need to flip it on now. You can see this car has had its time, 1,92,000 kilometers, and it is 2002. Yes, it is 2002 model, so 2002, and it is still on the road, and I'm trying to figure out how much mileage do I get from this car. So my first attempt has failed. Like, I won't say that it has failed like really bad, but what I was expecting was 3.2, maximum 3.6, or say minimum 3.6. So the car is showing me the car is showing me 4.1, and I have reached from Patiala to Rajpura, and now I'll be going back from Rajpura to Patiala, and I'll try to drive a little better, like a normal person would, a slow driving, and we'll try to see if I can achieve 3.6 now. So while I was coming from Patiala to Rajpura, I was driving 90, 80, 100, 90, 80, 100, and that was under aggressive acceleration. So someone is calling me again, and I'll get back to you. So I'm continuing to drive again from Rajpura to Patiala, and this would be on the highway test. So now, as I have entered the city, so before recording this video, there was a traffic jam, and something happened. I had to accelerate, and I had to chase someone. Before that, the car was showing 3.7, so I am happy. So 3.7, at this time it is showing 3.9, so it's still not that bad, as I was expecting 3.8, 3.2, so somewhere in between that. So 3.9, that's good. So on the camera 3.9, behind the camera it was 3.7, so I'm happy about that. And also noting that the car still needs a turbo. The turbo core is down, so I think this car can manage 3.2 under polite driving. So have a great day. That was the end of my video.